Hi guys, Virgo Guy here. I wanted to share with you some earrings that I purchased today at an antique store. I found these for such a reasonable price, I'm not even going to tell you because you wouldn't believe me. But what makes these so great, they are clip-ons. And I know clip-ons are harder to sell, but not when they're this brand. That is H-O-B-E, and that is pronounced Hobe. This is a company that was founded in 1887. In France, so it has a long history, and I got these, like I said, at such a reasonable price, but they have a little bit of grime on them. So in this video I'm going to show you how I would clean up these earrings. I'm not going to put them in my sonic cleaner, and the reason I'm not going to is because I don't want them to set a long time in the sonic cleaner in the water, for fear that maybe some of these rhinestones would fall out, because I have a feeling these are probably from the 1950s. So what we're going to do is, what we have here is this little container that I've put some baking soda in, and just get, this is my cleaning toothbrush. I keep one of these around to clean, like around the faucets and things. And then I clean it, and then I'll run it through the dishwasher, and then use it to clean jewelry. So this is baking soda, and then I'm going to add some Dawn dish soap. Now, you can use other dish soap, but I really just love Dawn. And we're going to wipe that off because I don't want dirt on there. Okay. Get your toothbrush wet. We're going to get that nice and mixed up in there. Get some of that Dawn dish soap on there along with the baking soda. A little wet. And we're going to take these and just start scrubbing them. Let me kind of zoom in for you here. So you can see it's got some rustiness looking on there. I don't know if that's going to come off. We're going to see. Now you can also make up a mixture of baking soda, Dawn dish soap, and salt. And what you do is you take a container and you put a piece of aluminum foil on the bottom of it and put all those ingredients I just said in there. And then pour hot water, that not boiling but almost boiling, but really hot water. And then you stick your jewelry in there. And I used to do it with my diamond ring, my wedding ring. And let it set in there. And then brush it gently like this. And it will get very, very clean. So I'm just going to scrub this. I don't know if that rusty stuff's going to come off. But we're going to see how well we do. Now after we do all this, I'm just going to take it over there. And rinse it underneath my faucet. Just rinse that off. Get a paper towel, it's on the other side of you. I'm working on a small space here, guys. Just kind of pat it dry with the paper towel or a cloth. And look at that, guys. I mean, yeah, look at that shine. Gorgeous. And I got clean on the back. Little bit of wear, normal wear. Isn't that awesome? Simple. You don't have to go out and buy anything. Expensive. Now look at the difference between that and that one. Isn't that gorgeous? Alright, that's all you gotta do. I'm gonna go and I'm gonna clean this one. These are gonna be listed for sale on eBay and Poshmark. I am going to set them at a high price because they are Hobe. And if you ever see Hobe jewelry, and it's H-O-B-E with that little French, I don't know what that's called, asterisk thingamajig, that's what I'm going to call it, above the E, that's Hobe, that's how it's pronounced, and you pick up that jewelry like that. Alright guys, talk to you later, thumbs up.